Okay, now run it straight up so we can take a picture of the ridge.
Awesome. It's stopping itself. You see it? Like,
yeah.
It's doing that or you're doing it? I'm not touching it.
It's doing it. It's its own automatic brake.
Yeah.
Try to get it on top of the tile, see if it does the same thing.
Turn it on, no, please. That's good.
Almost.
Yeah, it's stopping itself.
So we're not going to lose it. That's good. Alright, 4 on 12 Spanish tile. Pass the test.